Hey, hello everybody. Yesterday we learned about how to do 2-digit by 2-digit multiplication using a place value chart, and I am just going to review that for anybody who has missed it or anybody who needs a little extra practice. So we start off, I'm just going to copy down what my question says. It says 30 by or times 42. And it has equals parentheses 3 times blank equals 3 times parentheses 10 times blank, and then equals. I have to fill in all of these blanks. So in order to do that, first I'm going to look at my equation. I have 30 times 42. Okay, then I see that they're breaking apart one of the numbers. Because I see that 3 is here, I know 3 is a factor of 30. The other factor would be 10. Okay, so 3 times 10 is 30, and then I'm going to write my 42 on the next line. So 42, and I'm going to carry that down because it's the associative property, and it means that I could do 3 times 10 times 42, or I could do 3 times 10 times 42. I cannot fill in my last line until I solve. And I'm going to do that using my place value chart. I'm going to do thousands. Okay, and I'm going to write that short. Hundreds, tens, and ones. Okay, I'm going to draw that first number that is not broken apart, which is 42. So I should show 4 tens, 2 ones, because that shows 42. My equation shows that we are doing 10 times 42 first, because we do what is in the parentheses first. So how I'm going to do that is I'm going to go ahead and circle my ones. And when I multiply by 10, that means it's getting 10 times bigger. So it's going to go to the next place value to the left. So 2 ones times 10 would mean that I have 2 tens now. Okay, and I draw them lower because I still have to take care of my tens that were originally here. I'm going to circle them, draw my arrow, and multiply by 10. So I have 4 tens times 10. And that means that now I have 4 hundreds. Okay, I have 4 hundreds and 2 tens. I'm going to go back over and look. Now I have to do groups of 3. 3 times 10 times 42. We already did this step in here. Okay, so now I'm going to show 3 groups of 2, and there are already 1 group here, so I'm going to draw 2 more groups. I'm going to do the same thing with my hundreds place. Draw 2 more groups. Okay, I have to go back through and make sure that everything is set, that I don't have to regroup. So there are 0 ones, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, I need to circle that because I know 10 hundreds is actually 1,000. And now I have 2 hundreds. So I'm going to write the 2, go over here to my thousands place and write that 1. My answer would be 1,260. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and erase that and show you how we learned to do it today with our area model. So this one would be for lesson 35. Right? We start off with 30 times 17. And your homework has the area model started for you. It has it drawn out showing you that you have a rectangle and it is going to be broken into 2 parts. Okay, over on the side it has 17 times 30, and it is showing you that you're using partial products because there are 2 lines. Okay, so we're going to leave our 30 whole, and it's going to stay on the side. This time we're going to break apart the other one. Okay, so it would be 10 here and 7 here. We're just breaking it apart. It's a partial product, so we're just breaking apart the number. Okay, this time these would be added together, not multiplied. Okay, so we would do 30 times 10, which is 3 tens times 110. Okay, 3 times 1 is 3, but they are 10 times 10, so that means that we would have 100. It would be 3 hundredths. And we write that back out in standard form. This is unit form, so we're going to write it out in standard form, so 300. I'm going to write that on my bottom line because the bigger one goes on the bottom. Okay, then I have 30 times 7, or 3 tens times 7 ones. Okay, 3 times 7 is 21. And 10 times 1, which is our unit, would be 10. So 21 tens, or it would be 210. So we're going to write 210 here on the line. Those are our partial products, and we add them together. 0 plus 0 is 0. 1 plus 0 is 1. 2 plus 3 is 5. So we know that 17 times 30 equals 510. Our total area inside of those rectangles together is 510.